Let's spell the days of the week with Disney Princess. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's spell Monday. M O N D A Y. Monday. Let's spell Tuesday. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Let's spell Wednesday. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Let's spell Thursday. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Let's spell Friday. F R I D A Y. Friday. Let's spell Saturday. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Let's spell Sunday. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.